In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you owe vendors, accounts payable, and balances in QuickBooks Online. If you want a clear picture of your unpaid bills and vendor balances, QuickBooks Online gives you a few simple places to check. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to see your total accounts payable, how to review balances for individual vendors, and how to use an aging report to spot overdue bills so you can manage cash flow more confidently. Let's start by checking your total accounts payable balance. This is the quickest way to see your overall outstanding obligations. To do that, go to the gear icon in the top right corner and select Chart of Accounts. Once you're there, scroll until you find the Accounts Payable account. This account shows the total amount you currently owe across all open bills and vendor-related balances. If you want more detail behind that total, click View Register. This opens a chronological list of transactions that affect accounts payable, including bills, bill payments, and credits. Reviewing the register can help you understand how the balance was built and whether anything looks unusual. It's especially useful if you're troubleshooting a number that seems higher or lower than expected. Next, if you want to see how much you owe a specific vendor, head to the left navigation menu and click Expenses. Then select Suppliers, which may also appear as vendors depending on your version. From there, choose any supplier from the list. Inside that vendor profile, you'll be able to view their open balance along with a list of outstanding transactions. This is helpful when you need to confirm what's still unpaid for one supplier or review the history before making a payment. It also makes it easier to answer questions internally or stay organized when working through month-end tasks. Finally, for a more strategic view of what you owe, use the Accounts Payable Aging Summary report. Go to Reports in the left menu, type Accounts Payable Aging Summary into the search bar and open the report. This report organizes your unpaid balances by age, such as current, 1 to 30 days past due, 31 to 60 days past due, and more. That breakdown helps you quickly identify which bills are becoming urgent and which ones still have time before they're overdue. If you need more detail, simply click on any amount in the report to drill down into the specific bills behind it. By checking your chart of accounts, reviewing individual vendor profiles, and using the aging report regularly, you can stay on top of your payables and make better decisions about timing and cash flow.